Batteries are one of the most important parts of your automobile, whether you have a car, truck, RV, or any other type of vehicle. But for heavy options like RVs and trucks, the batteries are even more important. As the batteries are required to start the vehicle, battery failure is a much more severe case. There are many products available to choose from best truck battery, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did quality research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best truck battery from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Delco Gold Battery. We will start our list with one of the most trusted brands in the market for automotive batteries. If you want to get an idea about the reach of Delco, you can check the thousands of positive responses offered by its current users. In first place, we have the Delco Gold B24R. This has been the primary choice for a lot of users when it comes to car batteries for a long time. This is a Group 51 battery specifically designed for hybrid vehicles. The Delco Gold B24R comes with a highly durable design which is perfect for tough roads. On top of that, it offers a working temperature range of 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great for most regions. When the battery is not in use, there is an excessively slow reaction between the plate material and electrolytes, which ensures a slow self-discharge rate. Pros, one of them. Number 2. Optima Red Top Starting Battery. Optima is yet another popular brand of choice for thousands of users. This is also a powerful choice that is well suited for similarly powerful trucks and SUVs. With the Optima batteries 8000-403-3478 you will get a reserve capacity of about 100 minutes, which is long enough for you to get your truck to the nearest service station. This truck battery is compatible with 13.8 to 15 volts and 10 amps battery charges. Compared to other options, the Optima battery's 8000-403-3478 Red Top is about 15 times more resilient to external damage caused by vibrations. Pros. Durable external design. Completely spill-proof design. Offers 800 cold cranking amps. Cons. The design may not be feasible for some battery mounts. Number 3. XS Power XS Series AM Battery. XS Power is also a well-known brand in the market for automotive batteries. Apart from the truck battery mentioned here, XS Power also makes various other batteries of varying specifications and battery types. In the third place, we have yet another standard 12V AM battery from our picks. The XS Power D3400 is one of the best options available from the XS series truck batteries, designed by XS Power. This is a high-capacity AM battery that comes with M6 terminal bolts for universal compatibility. Apart from the standard 12 volts, the XS Power D3400 also offers 3300 amperage capacity. Coming to special features of the XS Power D3400, this truck battery is rated for 1000 cranking amps and 65 ampere-hour rating. Such specifications make this battery the right choice for a lot of applications. In terms of construction, the XS Power D3400 is designed with a completely spill-proof casing, including valve-regulated control and a vibration-resistant exterior. The ultra-low internal resistance. Number 4. Odyssey Automotive and LTV Battery. If you want a premium yet reliable option for your truck's battery, then look no further. The following option offered by Odyssey is certainly a great pick at this price point. The Odyssey 65PC1750T Automotive and LTV Battery, as the name suggests, is an LTV and automotive battery that offers the standard 12 volts power capacity. However, it is a fine pick for those who are looking for a high CCA battery, since the CCA rating on this battery is 950 amps. The battery is equipped with SAE automotive terminals, so connectivity should not be a problem for you. Number 5. Delphi Premium Automotive Battery. On the other hand, Delphi is a brand that is offering the cheapest option for a truck battery on this list. If you do not use your truck for heavy tasks, it can be a suitable choice for your needs. The Delphi BU9035 is the cheapest option we have for our picks of the best truck battery. This is an AM Group 35 battery that is compatible with almost all popular trucks in the market. If you are worried about the installation, don't be. As for the CCA, the Delphi BU9035 is rated for 680 cold cranking amps, which should be good enough for normal winters. It also has 100 reverse capacity, which ensures a reliable performance while you are on a long trip. Delphi is also ensuring around 20 times. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.